Looking for a hassle-free way to keep your lawn perfectly trimmed? The best robot lawn mowers do all the hard work for you, automatically cutting your grass with precision and efficiency. They save time, reduce effort, and ensure a consistently neat lawn, ideal for busy homeowners who want a beautifully maintained yard without lifting a finger. Starting at number 1. ECOVACS GOAT A3000. The ECOVACS GOAT A3000 LiDAR Robot Lawn Mower is a high-performance, wire-free mower designed for large lawns up to 3/4 of an acre. Equipped with dual LiDAR navigation and a 150-degree AI camera, it delivers ultra-precise mapping, real-time obstacle detection, and intelligent path planning, avoiding over 200 types of objects for safe and efficient mowing. Its 32V motor with dual cutting blades provides a 13-inch cutting width, covering up to 400 meters per hour, while the 5Ah battery allows fast 45-minute recharging, minimizing downtime. The mower's True Edge technology ensures precise edge trimming along fences, walls, and hedges, and the ECOVACS Home app allows full control of mowing zones, speed, and cutting height, 3 to 9 centimeters, for a customized lawn care experience. With its combination of power, smart navigation, and easy app-based management, the GOAT A3000 offers a hassle-free way to maintain a perfectly manicured lawn. Number 2. eufy E18 Robot Lawn Mower. The eufy E18 Robot Lawn Mower is a smart, wire-free mower designed for lawns up to 0.3 acres. Using vision-based VFSD technology with high-precision cameras and intelligent algorithms, it automatically maps your yard, plans mowing paths, and avoids obstacles like pets, furniture, and people. With an 8-inch cutting width and adjustable cutting height from 1 to 3 inches, it delivers uniform, precise mowing, even on slopes up to 18 degrees. The mower supports multi-zone management, GPS tracking, and app-based control, allowing you to schedule mowing, set no-go zones, and monitor performance remotely. It automatically returns to its base during rain or low-light conditions and features an anti-theft system for added security. While it works best on flat lawns with grass under 3.5 inches and is not ideal for very dense grasses like St. Augustine or zoysia, the E18 provides a convenient, hands-free solution for maintaining a neat, well-manicured lawn. Number 3. Mammotion LUBA Lawn Mower. The Mammotion. LUBA Mini AWD 1500H is a rugged, all-wheel drive robot mower built to handle challenging terrain, able to climb slopes up to 80%, 38.6 degree, and navigate rough or uneven lawns. It features UltraSense AI Vision plus RTK navigation, enabling wire-free auto-mapping and precise positioning even under trees. The mower has a trimming width of 7.9 inches and lets you adjust the cutting height from 2.2 to 4.0 inches, ideal for different grass types. With full connectivity via 4G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, you can manage up to 20 mowing zones through the Mammotion app, creating custom patterns like grids or diamonds using 3D lawn printing. It also detects more than 200 obstacle types, uses GPS tracking to prevent theft, and resumes mowing after recharging. Designed for lawns of about 0.37 acres, it comes with a replaceable 6.1 Ah battery, supports multi-zone management, and is rated IPX6 for water resistance. Number 4. Segway Navimow i105N Robot Lawn Mower. The Segway Navimow i105N Robot Lawn Mower is a compact, wire-free mower designed for lawns up to 1/8 acre, featuring a 7.1-inch cutting width and a quiet operation at 58 dBA. It uses RTK Plus Vision, EFLS 2.0 technology to achieve centimeter-level positioning, allowing precise navigation even under trees or in narrow corridors, without the need for perimeter wires. The mower supports AI-assisted mapping and virtual boundaries via its smartphone app, enabling multi-zone management, custom schedules, and mowing direction control. Its 140-degree camera-based obstacle detection identifies over 150 common objects for safe mowing, while Smart App Control allows monitoring, OTA updates, and optional anti-theft tracking. With planned mowing patterns, automatic recharging, and efficient lawn coverage, the i105N provides a convenient, hands-free solution for maintaining small, well-manicured lawns. Number 5. ECOVACS GOAT O1000 RTK Lawn Mower. The ECOVACS GOAT O1000 RTK is a smart wire-free robot lawnmower tailored for lawns up to 1 acre. Using a combination of RTK GPS, LiDAR, and vision sensors, it builds a highly accurate virtual map of your yard, no perimeter wire needed. It features AIV, 3D obstacle avoidance to detect and steer around objects and even small wildlife, and its TrueEdge zero-edge cutting ensures clean, edge-to-edge trimming without manual touch-ups. Thanks to a slim design, it can navigate narrow paths, as tight as 2.3 feet, and climb slopes up to 45%, 24 degrees, while its IPX6 waterproofing makes it resilient in bad weather. Through the ECOVACS Home app, you can customize mowing zones and paths, set no-go areas, and adjust parameters like cutting height and speed. With precise RTK positioning, down to 2 centimeters, fast satellite acquisition, and efficient U-pattern mowing, it offers a hassle-free, high-tech solution for maintaining a tidy, well-manicured lawn.